Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Riya Study Circle. It is a requested video from my viewers, so let's start the video. Today I am going to explain about 8th class maths chapter number 9, area of plane figures. In that exercise 9.1, 5th bit, first problem. So here 5th bit is find the area of each of the following fields. All dimensions are in meters. So here they gave one shape, and here we have to find the area of this total shape. So let's see the solution for this problem. Here it is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts. Take it as 5. So here first part is like triangle, and second also triangle. Third and 4 are trapeziums, and fifth one also triangle. So when we add these 5 shapes areas, then we get the total area of the total figure. So area of the given shape or given field equal to, we have to add all these 5 shapes areas. So area of shape 1, that means shape 1 is a triangle. So triangle DIE plus area of shape 2. Shape 2 means it is also triangle, DHC. So area of triangle DHC plus it is trapezium. So area of trapezium EIGF. So this is the symbol for trapezium. So EIGF, or you can take EFGI, whatever. So EIGF. Next area of shape 2, that is also trapezium. So we can write area of trapezium ABCH. Next fifth one is area of shape 5, that is triangle AGF. Or AFG, whatever. So when we adding these 5 shapes areas, it is equal to the total area of given field. So here I am doing directly area of the given field equal to first area of triangle DIE. So here DIE is the triangle. The formula for area of triangle is half BH. Let's take it as half BH of 1. Why I am writing 1 here means it is related to shape 1. Plus again area of triangle half BH of 2. Plus area of trapezium 3. That is half into H into A plus B. The formula for area of trapezium is half into H into A plus B. Plus again area of trapezium is half into H into A plus B. Here A plus B are the parallel sides, parallel opposite sides. Plus area of triangle AFG is half BH of 5. Here why I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means these are related to these shapes, that is first shape, second shape, third, fourth, 5 shapes. So here half BH. So related to first shape, half into base is 60 and height is 40. They gave in problem only. So 60 into 40 plus half into BH for triangle 2, that is DHC. Base is 40, height is 80. So half into 40 into 80. Plus next trapezium 3, that is EIGF. Here half into height H is 70 and parallel sides A and B are 50 and 60. So half into 70 into 50 plus 60 plus half into H is for ABCH trapezium, H is 80 they gave, and the opposite parallel sides are 30 and 40. Here in textbook print mistake AB equal to 30 meters. So A and B is 30 and 40. So half into 80 into 30 plus 40 plus final one, area of triangle is half into B is 50 and height also 50. Now simplification, 2 ones are 2, 2 30s are 60. So 30 into 40 plus here also 2 ones are 2, 20s are 40. So 20 into 80 plus 2 ones are 2, 35s are 70. So 35 into 50 plus 60 is 110, 110 plus here also 2 ones are 2, 40s are 80. 40 into 30 plus 40 is 70 plus 2 ones are 2, 25s are 50. So we get 25 into 50. So now 30 into 40 is 3 4s are 12 and 2 zeros. So 1200 plus 20 into 80 is 2 8s are 16, 2 zeros, 1600 plus 35 into 110 is, I am doing rough work this side, 35 11s are, we get 385, 10. So 3850 plus 4 7s are 28 double zeros, 2800 plus 25 5s are is 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 125 and 10. So 1250. So here 1200, 1600, 3850, 2800, 1250. The addition of these 5 terms will become 0 and 10 here. 2 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1 is 27 and 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 2 5 plus 3 6 7 8 9 10 10. So here we get 10,700. This is the solution for this problem. So area of the given field is 10,700 meters square. Since we can write as area of the given field equal to 10,700 meters square. Why I am taking meter means all dimensions are in meters. So we can take meter square or square meter. This is the solution for this problem. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any doubts, then comment below. I will definitely explain in my next video. If you want these videos in Telugu, then please comment below. I will definitely explain in Telugu also. ఒకవేళ మీకు వీడియోస్ తెలుగులో కావాలనుకుంటే దయచేసి కామెంట్ చేయండి, నేను తెలుగులో కూడా అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. If you are confused to get my videos, then go to playlist in my channel. I will upload all my videos playlist wise, so you can easily find there. Thank you for watching. Please support me by like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get my latest updated videos when I post.